kapag ba nakuha ko na yung goal, weight ko pwede na mag-rise kahit onte or low carb pa rin. Para sa mga weight loss talaga yung hinahabol sa low carb, just understand that yung insulin effect po, kaya nga po mahalagang maintindihan yung pundasyon nito. Bakit ba tayo nagigain ng weight? Let's say sa kaso po ninyo, wala po talaga kayong sakit na nire-reverse. Talagang ang goal ninyo ay weight loss lamang. So, we gain weight dahil po sa fat deposition. Ano ang nagtitrigger ng fat deposition? These are the building hormones. So, ang pinaka-major building hormone dyan is insulin. So now, let's say na-lose mo na yung weight because you were like eating less insulin stimulating food. Once you lose that weight and you start eating again things that will make you deposit fat, then marireverse ulit yung magandang nangyari na sa katawan ninyo, babalik po yun. I suggest po mga kapatid, once you reach your goal, ano man goal yan, it can be disease reversal, it can be weight loss reduction, then you start to do a kind of combination sa inyong low carb way of eating. Sabi ko nga, like Mediterranean, low carb Mediterranean, na talagang sustainable siya for the long run. Gano'n ka-sustainable? Dekada ang pinag-uusapan. I've been kind of the same weight for the last, siguro, 18 years or so po, Huwag manumbalik sa high carb. Pag bumalik ka sa high carb, what will happen is you will just regain all the weight that you've lost.